Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on building your own agent. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can build your own Twitter post generator agent. In this agent, you just have to provide it with a URL of YouTube video or a blog so you can generate your own Twitter post with your own customized settings. So now see reasons to build the Twitter post generator. So as you know, it will automate our tasks like reduce manual effort and inconsistency in posting. Then it also save the our time like accelerate content generation and scheduling processes. Then using this, we can scale our social media campaign, like easily manage and expand social media outreach efforts. Then it will also improve audience interaction through timely and relevant tweets. Now, what its workflow? First, you have to just provide this agent with a URL. It can be a video or a blog. Then, using an agent, we can extract the content of that blog or video. We have to provide our agent with specific tool to do that. Then, an agent can also summarize that content into relevant topics or relevant key points. Then that agent will provide us with the relevant key point to another agent, which will write the tweet for our specific URL topic. In this way, you can create your own Twitter post generator agent. Now, let's get to our code demo. So it's time for our code demo. I have created this cookbook where you can see how you can create your own Twitter post generator agent using CrewAI and Google Gemini models API. So before that, you have to install some libraries like CrewAI, Python environment, request, beautiful soup, YouTube. So you have to just uncomment it and run it. I have already done that, so I don't need to do it again. Then in our next step, you have to import these from CrewAI. You have to import agent, task, crew, process, LLM, and from CrewAI.tools, you have to import tools to create various tools. Then there is your standard request. There is your standard beautiful soup, os.env to load API key from the environment and the remodule. Then there is your YouTube transcript API for those post generation related to video content of YouTube. So then there is your Gemini API key. You have to first create a .env file and store your API key in Gemini API variable. Then using load.env, you can get your Gemini key value here as Gemini API key. Then let's come to our main part of the agent. Here I am creating a tool which extract content from URL. This tool helps our agent to extract data related to a blog using its URL. So I will provide this tool to our agent. Then there is another tool which is YouTube transcript extraction tool. This whole function is dedicated to extract transcript of YouTube video using its URL, and I have provided it using add tools and give it to our agent. So in next, here is our gem LLM configuration part. So I am using CrewAI LLM and giving it model Gemini. This is a multi-agent system. So I am using two Gemini different models using same API key. Here I am using Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental for extracting LLM, means it has the duty to extract the given data using URL. And here is our writing LLM. This model has the duty to write the post for our Twitter profile. Now I have set the temperature 0.1 and 0.3 here. Then let's get to our main stuff, which is agent definition. I am creating two specialized agent, content extractor agent, which use this LLM, and Twitter writer agent, which use this agent. Now let's see what how you can create your own agent. This is the agent from class. You just have to give it a role, content extractor, goal, extract main point from either blog or YouTube video URLs using appropriate extraction method. Backstory handles both web articles, blog, and YouTube videos, providing a clean summary. Then there is your tools. These are the two tools I have created for it. Extract content from URL, extract YouTube transcript, and here is its LLM, which is its thinking part, brain. So extracting LLM, which I have created, which is Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental. Then similarly, you have to create a Twitter agent, but here you don't need to give it a tool because it doesn't need to perform any extraction. You just have to give the LLM the its writing LLM part and the backstory and goal. Now, what task each should do? So I have first extraction task. There is a description of extract and summarize the code topics and point from this URL. I have to provide the URL, and expected output will be the summary of main point from the content. Here is our agent, extractor agent, which will do that task. And then there is our right task to create a post using our content, extracted content. So there is a description, write a Twitter X post, max 280 character with key points, emoji, and hashtag. Include this URL also. And expected ready to use Twitter post, copy where each are in separate line. Here you can just uh, then there is your agent, Twitter writer agent. This is your Twitter writer agent. Then there is a context. So how should it get its information is using this task result. So this task will give a context to this task, and it will do using the Twitter writer agent. Now, then you have to just assemble these all agents and tasks. You just have to give extractor agent, then Twitter writer agent. For task, you have to use extract task and write task and process a sequential. So now how you can run it, I have taken two URL example, one for a video and one for a YouTube blog. So let's just see the result of our YouTube video. So now it has created a simple post of around 280 characters. As you know, Twitter has a standard policy of post less than 280 character. So unlock the power of local LLMs, learn Olama to run AI model free on your PC, build rack system and boost privacy. Hands-on course by expert Paul. So here are some hashtag and there is a link to our YouTube video. You just have to copy it and paste it on your post, or you can create a pipeline to do it automatically for each of your content, video, or a blog. Let's see the same in the for the blog URL. Let's run it. So here is the generated response for the blog URL. So struggling with multi-agent AI, AIOS, AI agent operating system is your solution. It brings OS level management to LLM powered agent for scalable collaborative AI. Here is the link to our blog, and then there are some hashtags which you can follow. So now you know how you can build your own AI agent for Twitter post generation. Now I want to see you do it your own.
If you'd like to explore practical resources and hands-on examples, we've created a dedicated GitHub repository. It's filled with cookbooks covering computer vision, AI agents, and more. Link is in description.